So my friend here, he asked for zero skin fade, mid fade on the sides, and how short from top you like it?
Oh, that's it. Yeah.
That much? Okay, a little bit short on top. He doesn't like to do any step here, so he wants to blend it up. So I'll show you how you do the fade, the skin fade, and with the easiest way on this kind of hair. Same thing, start to put the guideline, zero guideline first before you start anything. Always drop the fade to the back. What looks more nice. Now is the time to shave everything off just before the guideline. After you get the zero done, now we're gonna jump to the shaver. Just shave halfway, don't go to the end of the zero. Now get your trimmer, and there is a small line between the super zero and the zero. That's what we try to remove, just like with the trimmer, just like in between. Now we will jump to half, just 1 inch. So open the clipper to the end and just jump on 1 inch. Now if you can see there's a small line between the zero and the half, I close the clipper halfway and hit only on the middle. Now 1/5 level open, and I will jump with 2 inch. But just always flick the clipper out. So with the slow movement, see, I'm doing like that. This with the slow movement. But with the fast movement, I'll do it like this way. Next one, number 1, level open, and I will jump just before the number 2. So also flick the clipper out. Last step of the fade, like we get half level open and we'll hit on the line. Just once you remove this line, that's it. The fade is finished. The end, number 2, level open, and I will match between my fade and the top. Just flick it in this part. Now we will cut the top by scissors. How much? Let's add some chicken salt. Happy?
Yeah, like usual, man.
Where's your thumbs up then? Show me your thumbs up. Both of them, come on. I want to see both of them.
All right, man. Very good. Like usual.
Thanks a lot. He's my regular customer. He always asks for the fade, and he loves the fade actually this way. Smooth fade, no issues. It's my everyday job. Another happy customer. Thanks so much. See you next time, guys.
First choice barber.